Hello students, today we will start LP2 of block 22 types of electric circuit. Today we will learn to arrange cells in two different ways. The resources you required for this LP are 3 electric cells, 1 electric bulb, 4 electric wires, notebook, Exceed content book and S2 of your workbook. Here are some keywords: battery, series arrangement and parallel arrangement. You just write down these keywords in your physics fair copy and you will in this LP you will understand the meaning of these keywords. First of all, we have to understand what battery is. Battery is a device consisting of one or more electric cells that can convert chemical energy into electrical energy. In this figure, have you seen the battery? A battery consists of two terminals. One is positive terminal here, which is represented by a red cap, and one is negative terminal. Here it is represented by a blue cap. Generally it can also be represented by a black cap. So remember, the red cap represent the positive terminal of the battery, black or blue cap represent the negative terminal of the battery. Each battery or cell consists of two terminals. One is positive and one is negative. In a battery, electric cells can be arranged in two different ways. Remember, a battery is nothing but it is an arrangement of the electric cells. And you can arrange these cells in two different ways, either in series arrangement or a parallel arrangement. Now we have to understand what series arrangement is. When connecting cells in series, connect alternate terminals together. Students, see this figure. In this figure, positive terminal of one electric cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell, and the positive terminal of second cell is connected with the negative terminal of third cell. The two remaining terminals are used for the connection to the appliance only. In this way, you can connect the series arrangement. This is the picture of series arrangement. In this, one cell is connected to the another cell and this second cell is connected to the third cell, but the arrangement is like positive to negative, positive to negative, and the negative of the first cell and the positive of the third cell is connected with the bulb. Now in parallel arrangement, connect similar terminals together. It means positive to positive and negative to negative. Look at this picture. Connect the positive terminal of one electric cell to the positive terminal of the other electric cell and negative terminal of one electric cell to the negative terminal of the other electric cell. The two remaining terminals are used for the connection to the appliances or load only. You see, all the positive terminals are connected to the one end of the electric bulb and all negative terminals are connected to the another end of the bulb. This is how parallel connection is done. How do series and parallel arrangements work differently? This is the important question is come in your mind. In series arrangements of cell provide higher electric voltage, hence the bulb glow brighter, but in parallel connections of cell provides a higher electric current, Both series and parallel arrangement of cells are used in batteries of car, trucks, tractors and inverters, etc. So this is the main difference between series and parallel arrangements. In series arrangements of cell, it provides higher electric voltage, but in parallel the electric current is maximum. Here is your homework. You have to complete S2 of your workbook, and you have to complete question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 in your physics fair copy. Thank you, students.